Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful, amazing day today. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I appreciate every single one of you so very much. We're going to do a Temu haul today. One of my favorites, my favorite places to shop. In fact, this shirt is from Temu. I put it in a short today because I liked it so much. The only thing about this shirt is that it dips way down to here. Like, if you want to be busty in this shirt, you 100% can. Now, I put a little cami underneath it, so, you know. But I love it. I ordered it in 2 more colors. I had to have it. I had to have it in 2 more colors. I don't even know if... But anyways, it was in my short. But as you can see... Now, I just cooked dinner, so I hope there's nothing on it. But, you know, it's like really kind of full and... I called it flouncy. Look, I got something on me. You guys, I just made dinner, so ignore me. But it came in a light blue and also an apricot color, so I bought both. I know I have the blue one in one of these bags somewhere, and I ordered the apricot one today. By the way, I have a Temu code for you guys to get some amazing deals on Temu. It's ACS 669757. I'll put that up on the screen for you. Go to your search bar on Temu. Type in that code, see what comes up. It's ACS 669757. Get some amazing deals on Temu. All right, let's see what I got today. Okay, you guys, I played the Temu gift calendar, and so I'm starting to get some of those prizes in that I picked. So if you don't know what Temu gift calendar is, if you type in QQQQ on Temu, it'll take you to the gift calendar. You pick out like 7 or 8 free gifts. You have to go back in every day. You have to buy some things. I spend money on Temu anyways, so I know someone's probably going to be in the comments and say, well, you spent money, so you didn't, nothing's really free. Yeah, I mean, you know, kind of, but I was going to spend the money anyways, and so I figured I might as well get free gifts. So there's that. Alright, so this was one of the free items that I picked. So this was free. I will try and link it below anyways, just in case you want it. But we're heading in, I'm getting ready for fall. Okay, I'm getting ready for fall. And not that I don't have enough fall decor, but I got this. It's a, oh shoot, the pumpkin fell off there. Oh, okay, everything's falling off. It's a garland. Let's see if I can get the pumpkins back on. It's not super full like the picture, but we all know how that goes, right? Okay, so this pumpkin came off, but we'll figure out where that goes later. But it's just a long garland, and it needs zhuzhed. But it's got these white pumpkins, or cream. They're actually more like a cream color. Some green. I would probably take a hot hairdryer to this, and or maybe even not super hot, but if sometimes when you blow some hot air on these leaves, they'll puff up. So it has some of these white things. There's some orange on here, you know, some green, some beige. It's kind of just the colors of fall. It is a garland. I'll probably put this outside or maybe up on my mantle. So there it is. I'll have to figure out where this pumpkin goes later. I was trying to figure it out, and it's just, I couldn't find it. So, but yeah, got that for free on Temu calendar. So, you know, again, if you want to play that game or try it out, just type in QQQQ on the Temu app, and that will take you to Temu calendar. Okay, this was another free gift. Now, I bought a cast iron skillet and one other cooking pot, and you guys in the comments left comments saying you had really good experiences with their cookware. So, I'm happy to hear that. Very happy to hear that, okay? So I got this pot. I love the color, by the way. So here it is. You got to put it together. It's got a lid. Okay. Here's the top of the lid. I don't know where the bottom of the lid is yet. Okay, here's some other things. I see the screw in here for this. And then here is this, which... don't know what this is, so I'm going to have to read the directions, because it actually gives you directions. And then here's the inside of the pot. It looks ceramic on the inside. I mean, it's probably not ceramic, you know. But it looks like it's a non-stick coating. So, yeah, and then you have these. But you have to, you know, screw them on and stuff. So, I will take that upstairs and do that. And then this is the lid. Like, how pretty is that? It's a little copper lid. And, yeah, it has the lid. So, yeah. I got this for free, picked it as one of my free things. This is glass, of course. So, you know, making some Sunday sauce or whatever. There you go. I love kitchen utensils, kitchen items, kitchen gadgets, and so we will try this out. Okay, this next item, I don't know if I got this again. This is another free item from Temu Calendar. So I kind of got a bunch of the items together at one time, but I actually went back in and bought these because I thought they were so cute. Oops, there's part of that pan. I hope I don't lose that. Let me set that over there. Okay, I'm going to put these out on my porch for fall, and I freaking love them, okay? These are so cute. Let me find the rest of it. Okay, let me put this down here. So it's a yard stake with solar lights. You know me and my solar lights, right? So these are so stinging cute. They look like little lanterns. How cute are they? They look like little lanterns, and they're gonna, like, you know, depending on how you put them, you know, in a pot or something, you know, I think they're adorable. I think they're adorable. And then you get like the little stake, okay, that goes with it. But I think I'm going to put these out on my porch. I think they're adorable. So let's see if we can get them to turn on. Let's see. Oh, yeah. There they are. See? They let off like a really... Oh, this is going to be hard for me to do and show you. Okay. There's what they look like turned on. They let off this really kind of warm, almost candle-y type of lighting. But they look like cute little lanterns. Like, aren't they adorable? So yeah, I got these more for fall than anything, but you stick them down in and, you know, they're like, but I look for them to kind of droop over time. I think they're adorable. I think they're super cute. So yeah, got those for outside. So I think they're cute. Again, I bought another one. I thought they were so cute that I went and just bought another one. I love it. I think they're adorable. Okay. This I've had in my cart so many times, or for such a long time. And the price was, it was $12.81. I'll just say it was $12.81. This is how it was shipped in the bag. I've kind of had my eye on this, so I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to get it. Okay, so it is a mug. But I absolutely love this thing. I absolutely love this. And I hate the styrofoam, but, so let's close this up, and hopefully it won't go anywhere. Okay, this is so cute. It's like ceramic. It's got this brown around the edge here. It's the perfect size, for one thing. But it's got this iris on the front, and they had other ones that had like different flowers. Now, along the side, it says, it's iris, flower de luce. I don't know what that means, but check this out. There's a little bee right here. I didn't even notice that it had a little bee on it until I got it. But I think it's cute. I really love the mug. You know, $12 is a lot for a mug. I'll just say, because I love mugs and cups and coffee cups and all the things, and Brian's going to die when he sees this. Because I've been meaning to go through my cupboard and like get rid of all of my old mugs that I've had forever. But I just thought it was really pretty. So I think I'm going to take it to work. I love the flower. I love the iris on the front. Yeah. By the way, I know I didn't say this, but you guys know, I will make sure to leave all the links for everything down below in the description box and in a pinned comment. So if you want any of this, check down there. Okay. Not in the comments, I mean. Okay, so this was another free item. Probably Temu Calendar I picked this from as well. It seems like a lot of this stuff kind of came at the same time. So I got a whole box of glue. Okay. So I'm going to be doing a lot of junk journaling. So I got a box of this, and I don't know if you guys have ever used this. It says T8000. I don't know. It's just like a kind of a jewelry adhesive, but I don't know. But anyway, we'll see what it's like. Oh, cool. It's got like a little pin, and look at the end of it. It's like really small, so you can really get in there. Oh, I love that. So each one of these has a cool little pin, so it doesn't get all gooped up. That's great. I love that. Okay, let me see if this is like clear, or what. It looks clear. Hold on. Let me just squoosh it out real quick. If I can get, oh yeah, it's clear. It is a clear glue, but I love that they give you the little needle on here so you can stick it down in here, and so if you can see it, like if you're not blind like me, but that needle will keep it from getting all gunked up. Love that. Love that. So yeah, I got a whole box of it, because if anyone knows, in the craft world, you need a lot of glue, okay? We need tons and tons of glue. All right. So then next I got this item. It was $5.35. What could be in here? Oh, okay, so this, it's so funny how I remember, like, oh, what did I get? This goes on the wall, and I thought I feel like my personality these days, I have to like put my clothes on I'm gonna wear for like the next day, and I thought this would be cool to have in my bedroom because it just kind of sticks on the wall with this, and then you can hang things like, oh, I hear Kermit somewhere. Kermit, where are you? But it's like a rod that's like extendable, so maybe you're gonna hang your jeans or your purses or necklaces or whatever on here. But it just comes off, and this like, you know, it suctions to the wall. So yeah. Or you could hang a bathroom towel on here or robes or whatever, you know. So yeah, $5.35 for that. So I'll be putting that to some good use. All right. Then I got these really cute stickers. These were $2.79. I'm getting back into junk journaling, and by the way, I don't know if you guys watch Carol Sue's Designs. Carol Sue Southern Designs. Sorry, it's Carol Sue Southern Designs. She does a lot of Temu hauls, and she's very, very crafty. So I'll make sure to link her down below. Please go check her channel out. Because I saw her flip through a Halloween journal yesterday. Like, I went back through some of her videos, and oh my gosh, it was so stinking cute. It was so stinking cute. So anyways, these are stamp stickers. There is 36 of them in here for $2.79, and they're just different florals and birds, because that's my aesthetic. Like, you know, the florals, the butterflies, the birds, that's my aesthetic right there. I love birds. I'm a big bird person. Big bird. You know what I mean. So yeah, I love these. They're kind of vintage. They're kind of pretty, you know, just all the things. So there's a lot of birds in here. Lots and lots of birds. Look at this cutie. But I love the shape of them. The shape of them is what got me. So I think these will be really, really pretty in a journal. And you get 36 pieces. So I feel like, you know, I don't know if I really technically do junk journaling. I mean, I would call what I do more mixed media art journaling. But either way, it's still art and it's fun and it's an outlet for me. So $2.79 for those. Okay, I got this for $4.52. Oh gosh, there's styrofoam on it. This is probably another one of those cup holders, I think. But this one, oops, I dropped that on the floor. This one holds a bunch of cups. So you take this and you take these little rods, which, by the way, these are plastic. They're not like metal or anything. And which way they go? No, they would have to go this way. Let's see if we're smarter than the thing here. But this way you can stack up lids and cups, both. If you know what I mean. Because I make myself a coffee every morning. Did I put that together right? Did I? I think so. No? No, maybe it goes, I don't know. Like these cups, oh heck, that one definitely isn't on right. You guys, you gotta be smarter than the item, okay? You have to be smarter than the item. So, you know, your cups will sit in there. Like these are the cups I use to make coffee in the morning. So you can stack your cups. I think this is right. Don't judge me if it's wrong, okay? But I put my lids on one side, my cups on one side. So that's what this is for. Hopefully I put it together right. I will look back at the ad to make sure, but I can't think of any other way it would go. Okay, moving on. So I got some junk journaling papers. These are a 12-piece set. You get 10 pieces of pattern and 2 pieces blank. They're like coffee stained vellum paper, which I know I should probably coffee stain my own paper, which I will. But I like to have like a mishmash of a lot of different kinds and a lot of different shapes of paper and styles and the way they feel and everything. Now, I will say, so they gave me like one blank vellum. Are these double-sided? Not really. They look like heavier stained on this side, you know, but I really like them. They're kind of cool. They're like rusty, crusty looking papers. I know you're thinking, Jen, that is the dumbest thing to buy. But I love vellum paper. I love the feel of it. And these plain pages are kind of cool too. You can like stamp on them and stuff like that. But anyways, and this actually, you could use this in a junk journal too. Just cover it and make it like a little pocket. So, you know, yeah. So there's those. And they were $2.50 for only 12 sheets. So I don't think that's very good. I could probably make my own for less than that. But that's okay. That's okay. All right, here is another paper item. Again, with I just wanted some like different papers. These were $5.01. I don't know. I don't know if I should have paid that. I like the feel of them though. I feel like when I make journals, the feeling of paper is like important. You know what I mean? Like how papers feel. And these are like pretty much all the same, but they feel really nice on the hands. They're a little bit thicker. You know what I mean? They're thicker paper, but I love the feeling of them. Actually, I have a couple pieces, so they just feel a little bit thicker, and they've got like a pattern on them, so you can kind of see the pattern there. I just like having different kinds of paper, so anyway, I don't know, $5 probably isn't a good price for that, but you win some, you lose some. You guys, I bought this, and I bought the papers for it too, and I feel like such an idiot after purchasing this, but you know, you live, you learn. So this was $17.22. It's an A4 laminator. I bought it mainly for like, you know, journaling and stuff, and if I wanted to like laminate something. Oh, they give you some papers. They give you some little ones. But I bought some laminating paper as well, but they weren't A4 size. So I think this goes bigger than A4 though. Let me look. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be like, what the heck? What the heck, Jen? No, it does. It goes bigger. No, maybe not. Well, it says A6, A5, A4 max. So yeah, but that looks like an 8x11 size right there. But they give you some little ones, but I bought the bigger like sheets, which should fit in here. So, you know, we'll have to try it and use it one day when I use it for whatever and make sure it works and all of that. But it was 17 something, but here's why I think I'm kind of dumb about it, is that I did not even realize this was even a thing. But after I bought this, you guys, after I bought this, I realized that you can actually just buy laminating sheets that are sticky. Know what I mean? You don't even need to use this at all. It's just like a sheet that so I don't know. But maybe it was stupid of me to buy this, but I think it'll be kind of cool to use. So, you know, even if you have other stuff you need to laminate, it doesn't have to be craft related or anything like that. You know what I mean? So, but yeah, they did give you a little baggie of laminating sheets, but I bought a whole bag of them, and I don't see them sitting here. I'd show you them, but so they'll probably be in a future haul. But they did give me some of these, and they like open up like a pocket wherever that is. Somewhere, yeah. So they open up like a pocket, and then you put whatever in and you slide it through. But I bought a whole bunch of these, but they were bigger. They were like 8.5 by 11, and I thought, well, I could always cut them to whatever size I need. So, but yeah. So there's some little laminating sheets that came with it. But, you know, maybe I learned my lesson here, because I guess I just didn't even think they actually sold anything like they're actual sticky sheets that just, I don't know, whatever. You win some, you lose some, I guess, right? So, all right, you guys, that was my little haul for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like these kind of videos. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.